So here's 90 seconds to improve the way that you're foam rolling your quads to make the best of use of your time so you can have a great run coming up. Hi there, I'm Dr. Lynne Virant. I'm the owner and physical therapist of The Movement Clinic in Pensacola, Florida, and I'm here to show you how you can make the best use of foam rolling your quads. First of all, get into a position where you can check how are your legs moving. I like this half kneeling position. You just come down to the floor and you just shift your weight forward and back. If you feel a little tightness in that back leg, then you're ready to go. Grab your roller, place it in front of the leg that you're going to roll. Come down onto your hands and knees, and then you're going to place that leg on top of the roller right in the middle to start with. You're simply going to roll up and down about 1 to 2 inches. The mistake people do is they go all the way up and down. You got to isolate it and stay in one small spot. If it's too uncomfortable, it should start to subside, but if not, you can simply move away and start there. So you do 3 to 5 rolls, pause. Here's the part where you're really going to make the use of it. Bend that knee. If it's pretty tight, it's going to feel really uncomfortable. Only bend it to where you feel comfortable and you can breathe. When you get to the 5th one, you're going to hold it as your next step, and then you're going to rotate it side to side, making the hip do the work, right? So your back is staying still, your knee is staying still, just your hip is moving. And then once you come down, you retest that leg, retest this leg, and it should start to feel like it's moving a lot smoother. All right, give that a try, good luck, and have a great run.